Surprise Squad 4 knew that we wanted to brighten someone's new year, which is why the timing was perfect when our phone rang, and it was Fitz's Automotive down here in South County with the story of Mr. and Mrs. Scruggs. George wanted some repairs done on his van, and he wanted it done now. See, George has been diagnosed with cancer, and he wants reliable transportation for his wife, even if he's no longer around. So we're here on the day of the pickup to pull a little surprise.
To know how worried they probably were about paying this bill, and then to see the reaction when they found out they didn't have to worry about it. And I did really good, not crying in the moment, but it's good for me now. So it's neat. It's neat we're able to help them.
There were no words.
Yeah.
Exactly like how I'm feeling. And yeah, I teared up and I held it back, and I just felt it was just a really good feeling for them to be able to do this.
Yeah.
You know.
So it is neat to get out up close and personal like this and really impact somebody who really needs it.
Both of them.
Town 4 and Scott Credit Union. Surprise Squad 4. Right on. Right on.
We're kicking off the new year with a very special Surprise Squad where we go under the hood to help a very deserving couple.
Channel 4.
What are you talking about? I'm here with Fitz's. I don't know what you... Well, I think you figured it out.
Oh my goodness, thanks.
Find out what drove Surprise Squad to lift this man up when he needed it most. Thursday at 6.
Just saying thank you is not enough because it's a really big help.